Hey there everyone, this is Jim. I'm in for Wall Street Hustler, which can be found at wallstreethustler.com. Hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. Today is Sunday, May 22nd, 2011, and this is a video chart presentation on USOG, which is United States Oil and Gas Corporation, traded on the pink sheets. Let's go ahead and get into it here. This is the 6-month chart, of course, and certainly the thing that stands out here is this trend. We've had certainly a trend here over the last several sessions going down in price. One thing I've noticed here in the last, I don't know, probably in the last couple of months or so, seems like there's this nice base forming here at 0016. So we have a nice area of strong support, as you can see here. I mean, it has tested several times over the last, last month or so. And every single time it has bounced off. There's been a couple of days where it's, little anomalies here. It's dropped below that, but for the most part, it has dropped. It has hit that 0016 level and always bounced back up. So perhaps we can, perhaps we're forming a base here at 0016, and also on the trend here, you can see now in the last several sessions, looks like it's starting to kind of ease off here. So perhaps we're seeing a bottoming here, and some of the people who like to play off the bottoms may start to pick this up as well. Also, I know there was some news on after hours on Friday, so perhaps we'll see some following through on Monday's session for some buying, things like that. RSI is looking, pretty oversold here at this point, 43.27. It's still, it's not like way down here at 10 where it's just dead. It's still in this range. Certainly has a lot of room to go north. It historically has punched into that power zone, as you can see here, back in around the 1st of 2011, and of course later on in March or so. So typically, I mean, there has been some historical precedents here where it has gone further north. Slow stochastics looking nice here as far as oversold. You can see here it's 18.89. And again, historically, looking at the stock, when it has reached this level, there has been these uptrends, upshots here. Typically in the past, as you can see here, with this line, if I could draw it, geez. Well, anyway, so as you can see, this has gone up, and this has gone up too. So perhaps, like I've mentioned, the fact that this looks like this is, forming a nice base here. We've had some news on Friday. You could see a continuation of this thing. Do a reversal and heading north for us here. This is called the ultimate stochastics or ultimate indicator. Again, it kind of mirrors the stochastics here, showing it to be quite a bit oversold. And certainly over the last several sessions, I mean, you can tell this thing's really been oversold. And again, this might be a nice point to get in and start an uptrend as well. I mean, you always say the trend is your friend, but that necessarily doesn't mean that is this going to continue to head south, only for the reasons I've indicated here. This strong 0016 support here looking pretty nice. We do have some resistance levels though. Certainly look at. Looks like right here, of course, we got the 17. It's kind of pesky, it looks like, but it has poked through a few times. We just get through that 0017.2 level here. Next levels look like, let's say, look like you're looking at about 18. And then, after that, you'd be well into the 002 range. So just get through this 17, this 18 level. You could perhaps expect movement up above 2. So, the stock has a lot of liquidity in it too. That's kind of nice to see. You can see there's been a lot of volume lately. So we'll see if this thing's at its base now, and hopefully this thing will do a reversal. The news was out on Friday, so we'll see how the follow through is on Monday. Again, I did want to I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation here. I did want to remind you that the information contained herein has been compiled from sources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, wallstreethustler.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, wallstreethustler.com is neither an investment advisor nor financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit the disclaimer page on the website at www.wallstreethustler.com for further information. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.